Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to stay organized in Canva and move designs to folders. So it's easy to get really disorganized in Canva, especially when you have a lot of designs created. So it's a really good idea to create folders to put your designs in. So if you don't know how to create a folder yet, here is a quick recap. So at the top, you're going to click Add New Folder, give your folder a name and click on Create Folders. If you have folders already, that's great. So I'll show you how to move your designs to your folders. So there's three different ways. You can do it from within your folder. So I've just clicked onto one of my folders there, and I'm going to click on Add New. Then I can click on Design and then choose Design. So I can choose which designs to add to that folder. So I can choose from designs shared with me or from my projects. So if I click on my projects, then I can scroll through my designs. I can also search for them. And when I see a design I want to add to that folder, all I need to do is click on it and click on Move, and that'll be added to the folder. Another way to stay organized and add designs to your folder is from your home page. So I can click on any design on the three dots, then click on Move, and then click on which folder I want to move that design to. You can also do it from within a design. So if I open up these YouTube banner designs, I can then click on File in the top left hand corner, click on Move, and then click on which folder I want to add the designs to. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.